up, guys? It's your girl Shirley, back at you again with another one.
Shirley, what are you doing?
I'm helping you out with your intro.
I don't need help though.
You know you love my help.
Oh God. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. What's up, guys? It's your boy Coco Links, and I'm back at you again with some
Bonfire!
Today working on some custom Minnie Mouse glitter vans. Let's go. For some reason, a lot of people order their shoes, Mickey Mouse, and Spider-Man. But for me, my favorite cartoon is Tom and Jerry. Maybe because he's a prankster. I remind me of myself. But what's your favorite cartoon? Comment below, and the most popular one, we'll definitely do it in a future video.
So as you can see, I'm taking over this session. Anything glitter is my department, as you can see. So the things that you would need are Mod Podge, the glossy one, the extra fine glitter, so it works better. So these are the brushes I use. This one here is called a wash brush. I like it because it's bigger and it covers more area and you get more done faster. This right here is an angle brush. As you can see, it covers, allows you to cover the small, or get in between actually those small little areas like this. Usually I use ramekins, but because you know the Rona is around, we can't get the stuff that we want. So I actually cut a bottle, so you can use whatever is good for you, anything that you could dispose of, and you just put the Mod Podge in here. So this is my mug, you know, I just want to be a little fashionable, you know. So this is, I put water in here, and the reason why is like when you stop using your brushes, the Mod Podge could actually make the bristles hard, and you don't want that. So I just put it in. that it will stay soft. And when I take it out, I use either a napkin or a cloth to wipe it, because if it mixes with a Mod Podge, if you're using paint, it's going to be very watery, and the outcome is not going to be great. Just pour it in here. See how thick it is? It should be enough. That might be way too much. That's okay. I'll pour it right back in there. No waste. So because we're starting in the front, I'm going to use the angle brush. You have to move fast because it dries really fast. So you just brush like this. You take the glitter. I usually open up. You could do the front too, but I usually just open up this way because I can control it better. From the bottom or the front and just pour over. Take the excess glitter and pour it right back into the container because no glitter left behind. If you want to know what pan I'm using, I am using a baking pan. Yes, I am, because it works. I just cover it with some tissue paper and that's good to go. Sometimes I even do this on the floor, you know. There we go. So now we're on to the bigger part of the shoe. This is why I love this brush. It covers a big area in one swipe. Trust me, you're gonna see glitter anytime you do this in places glitter is not supposed to be. But it's a beautiful thing, especially when it shimmers. So now we're going to start taking off the tape off of the shoes and all the vinyl to reveal the masterpiece. Y'all ready? Let's go. Coco, you don't got shoes to do?
Yeah, I just had a dream.
Yeah?
Yeah, that I already sprayed the shoes. You did the glitter. You mean to tell me I gotta do the shoes again?
Not again, you gotta do them now.